And welcome to your shout out video, my party people. I want to go ahead and shout out the students that are currently in my program who have been doing a fantastic job because I want them to be able to inspire you to continue making the right moves. So first off, the students that are working in our fundamental course, the math basics, that is 28 practice tests that you have to complete and get a 90% or better for me to say that you're good. And so these students up here are the ones that passed that. On top of that, the students, again, in my program that are working on the arithmetic, reasoning, and math knowledge, the great thing is that they have every single concept lined up for them. And even better, they're gonna be able to take these speed drills that help them feel the pressure of being timed. And with that pressure of being timed, they're gonna be able to see step-by-step solutions after every single time they take it, like you see up here. That's one of the many great benefits of our program, and these students are taking full advantage of it day by day to make sure that they can raise their scores and get the job they want. This weekend, use the code FIREWORK at checkout, save 20%, and ace the ASVAB.